Hello. So this is how I set up the Bluetooth. So what you gotta do is set up the Bluetooth normally through your car. So you go to media, and then you scroll to Bluetooth and audio. You press it. Then it says no Bluetooth audio device connected. So you click down. You click this down and then go to options. With options, it says Bluetooth audio devices. Then you turn your phone into Bluetooth mode, and then you put search audio devices, and then you put start search, and then it will start searching audio devices. So my phone is already connected, so it's not gonna appear there. So then after that is connected successfully, it's gonna ask you for a password and everything, and then you have to press OK, agree. Then after that is connected, go to media, and then just go to the media interface 1. That's where I connect the USB right there that you guys provide. You press that, then hold the media button. You will see already my Android Play. So if I receive so if I go here to calls, and then I try to make like a call,